Hello viewers, welcome back to today mathematics class for this upcoming WAEC and JAMB examination. So guys, if it's your first time watching my video or my channel, do it to subscribe, like, also touch the button in case what we have a benefit like this, you'll definitely be the first one notified. And also, if you're watching us from our Facebook page or Instagram page or Twitter, any other platform you're watching this video at this moment, please follow us, okay, and give a like to this particular video. And most very important, guys, I'll love if you can take 1 minute of your time to share this video with your friends and family so they can benefit of this class. Okay guys, so let's dive into the solution of this JAMB past question, okay, mathematics past question. So let's dive into the solution of it. So I'll read the question and we solve it. So the question is, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, we have the 3s squared plus 5s minus 2 equal to 0. Find the value of 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta, and here we have the options. So guys, so if you see this question for the first time, okay, how do you attend to the question? As in, how do you intend to solve this question? Okay, so this question, you can say the quadratic roots means that from quadratic what it was speaking from quadratic equation. Okay, so let's start with I will take you. I have two methods of solving it, like 3 to 4 methods of solving it, but for the sake of this video I only drop one method of solving this kind of question. And in case you see the question that's similar to this question in this upcoming JAMB examination, so you'll be able to tackle it. Now let's dive to it. So the question, let me read the question again and then I'll solve it. So if alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation, so let me write the equation out. So let me first write the solution. Okay, let me write the equation out. The equations, they have 3s squared plus they have 5s minus 2 equal to 0. Now we want to find the value of what? 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Now to solve this, we have to first of all solve this quadratic equation. Then, since we say that alpha and beta are the roots of this one, means that they are the solution of this quadratic equation. So guys, for the sake of this video, I will use we have like 4 methods of solving quadratic equation. So you have the first one, we have the factorization, we have the complete the square method, and we have the general formula, quadratic formula, and we have the graphical method. But for the sake of this video, I would love to use general formula. Okay, I'm going to say quadratic formula. So let me write the quadratic formula outside and then I will solve it. So the quadratic formula, if you still remember, we have what? Minus what? B, we have plus or minus, we have the square roots of what? Of b whole square minus 4ac, everything divided by what? 2 what? A. So this is quadratic formula. Okay, so how do you get the value of b, or how do you get the value of b or a or c? So if you compare what we have here, the quadratic equation we have here, if you compare it with the quadratic form, which is equal to, that is, you have s squared plus b what? S plus c equal to 0. This is quadratic form. So it means that a is the equation of s and b is a is the equation of s squared, b is the equation of s, while c is a constant. So if you compare what we have here, is the same thing as the same thing that we have here. So which means that equation of s squared is a, and equation of s squared is equal to what? That is what? 3 here. It means that our a is equal to what? 3. Now the equation of what? S is what? Is b, and the equation of s here is what? Is plus 5. So why? That means that we have our b is equal to what? 5. Okay, and here we have our c here, and here is our c. It means what? Minus 2 here. So that gives us our c is equal to minus 2. Now we have get a, b, c. So let's substitute it into the quadratic formula. So let me try to roll the space there. Now we have minus b, so memorize it as minus. Since b is equal to 5, so I've tried to put 5 there. Okay, we have plus or minus, let me try to write it very well. The square roots, okay, yeah, the square roots of b square is equal to 5, so that are 5 what? 5 square, okay, minus, we have 4 multiplied by, we have our a is equal to 3, multiplied by 3, multiplied by, and we have our c, which is equal to minus what? Minus 2, I wrote minus 1 here, like mistake, that's minus 2. So C is equal to minus what? 2. Let's put this in bracket to avoid mistake of the sign, that's minus 2. So everything is square root. So everything divided by 2 times A, that is 2 multiplied by A is equal to what? 3. So you have to put the 3. Now, let's solve it now. So in this place now, we have minus 5 here. Let me write the minus 5, okay? We have minus 5 plus or minus, okay? We have the square root of this. So here, let's multiply this 5 squared, that is 5 times 5, that gives us 25. So we have 25 here already, minus. And here we have 2 times 3, that is 12, right? 12 times minus 2, that is minus 24. So then put the bracket, we have minus 24, close brackets. So everything divided by 2 times 3, we have 6. Now let's move further. Now in this place, we have a minus 5, right? Plus or minus. So let's take this one together. Let's solve this bracket first. Minus times minus. Minus times minus, that gives us what? As plus. So it means that we have plus here, okay? Now 25 plus 24, that gives us what? That is 49. So here we have 49 here. So everything here divided by what? 6. Now let me try to create space more. Okay, so let me try. From this place now, you can find the square root of what? 49. So if you look at the square root of 49, so let me try to get on that space there. Square root of 49 here, because we have minus what? 5, okay, plus or minus square root of 49, that is equal to what? 7. If I use a calculator, everything divided by 6. Now in this place now, we can see that we have minus 5 plus or minus 7 over what? Over 6. So let's take the value of what? Of this plus. Let's split this one. Let's take for plus and let's take for what? Minus. So what I mean by that, it means that we have the minus 5 plus 7 over 6, or we have a minus 5, we have a minus 7 over what? 6. Now in this place then, minus 5 plus 7, that gives us 2. So it means that we have 2 over what? Over 6. Okay, we have or minus 5 minus 7, that gives us plus minus, that gives us minus what? That gives us minus 12. So divided by 6. So now let's divide it now. So if we divide it now, we have a 2 here 1, 2 here, nice or 3. So this means that our 1 over what? Over 3, or the second one we have what? 6 here 1, 6 in 12, that's equal to what? 2. So it means that's minus what? 2, because we have minus here, that's minus 2. So it means that alpha, we're going to what? We have a alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, and the root of this quadratic equation is equal to what? 1 over 3 or minus what? Minus 2. So let's say that the 1 over 3 means that it's equal to what? Alpha. So it means that we have our alpha is equal to 1 over what? 3, and our beta is equal to minus what? 2. Now let's find the value of 1 over s plus 1 over beta. So let me try to do it here. Let me put this place. So let me write this. We have 1 over alpha, and alpha is equal to what? 1 over 3. That means that we have 1 over 3 here, and plus, and we have 1 over beta. That means we have 1 over our beta is equal to minus 2. So we have minus 2 here. Now let's make a change here. Here we have 2 division here. Okay, so if we change this one to, okay, let me try to break it down in simplest parts. So let's try to break that. You have 1 divided by this division here, and make it as well as divided by this, okay, in the straight line. That's 1 over 3. You have 1 over what? 3 plus, that is 1 over minus 2. Now this one's in fraction. Let's make this one into fraction and to this over 1 to 8, and then we multiply. We change the division here to multiplication, whereby this one will change. And when division changes to multiplication, this second part here will interchange. Why this 3 goes up, minus 1 comes down. So this one becomes, we have 1 multiplied by 1 over 1 multiplied by, that is 3 over 1, because this 3 goes up. That is plus of 1 over what? Minus 2. That will be equal to, now 3 times 1 and 1 times 1, that is equal to what? 1. 3 times 1 is we have 3, right? You have 3. Okay, 1 times 1, that is still the same thing as well as 1. Okay, let me write 1. And here we have plus what? 1 over what? 2. Let me create a space. Now from this place now, we have this that be equal to, and put that as equal to, we have 3 over 1 and we have 1 over 2. This is minus, we have minus here, you have minus here, so we have a mistake. So in this part now, so in this place now, the minus we have here will definitely affect the plus here. Plus times minus here, that gives us minus. So this one becomes 3 over 1 minus 1 over what over 2. Now let's find the LCM of this. So when you find the SL of this, that will be equal to LCL of 1 and 2, that is SL is equal to what? That is 2, right? Now 2 divided by 1 divided by 2, that is equal to, that is 2, right? 2 times 3, that gives us 6. So you have 6 minus 2 divided by 2, that is 1, times 1, that is 1. So that will be equal to, here we have 6 minus 1, that's equal to 5 over 2. So it means that the answer is equal to what? That is 5 over 2. So if it comes to the question we have here, they say that this our alpha, the value of alpha or the value of 1 over alpha and plus 1 over beta is equal to 5 over 2. Okay, it's equal to 5 over 2.